Hi girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa V and I'm here with another video. Today I do have a girly haul. Yeah, I know I'm doing the most, but we're here. I say girly haul, but it's just a haul, girl. And this is some of the newer things that I picked up lately, so let's jump right on in. Also, I don't know if y'all guys noticed my new piece of artwork. I got this back on spring break. It's a scorpion and my sister did it, and then I also got these thumb tattoos. I don't know if you guys can see them. They didn't heal the best, so I will be getting them touched up. Nonetheless, I really like them. I love them. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the haul. Guys, I don't know what to do. I'm addicted to purses. The first bag that I got is this stunning Juicy Couture bag. Has like a little charm moment with a mirror, super cute, and a Scotty dog. So cute. It's like a light pink and tan or sandstone color. I picked this up for $39.99, and this is the sandstone powder Juicy fan club satchel. Super cute. The only one I got in this style or print, and I'm definitely not mad at it. I picked a good one. We're a little all over the place, but I did pick this one up at Burlington. This is an Ed Hardy bag. I think this is my only second Ed Hardy bag. Don't get me wrong, they come out with a lot of cute ones, but I do have to resist. A lot of them are similar in nature, so that's one of the reasons why. But also, I'm a Juicy girl, so I gotta save my money for Juicy. This was only $19.99 though. I love this butterfly back here. So cute. Love, love, love. And it's such a good deal for $19. How do the kids do it? Clock it. The next item I picked up, why did I think this was from Burlington? This is from Marshall's for $5.99. We got us some, like, I guess these are lilies. I'm not really sure. They were $5.99. And girl, these are irking me because they squeak so much. I just hope once I take them off this package, they're not squeaking as much. I know y'all hear that. This is why it's not girly. Another random find. I've been wanting some Nike socks, and I did find these at TJ Maxx for $15. I like the ankle ones, nothing too high, because I want to wear them with my Crocs. But I picked them up for $14.99. I bought this from Marshall's. We got us some beauty creations. Okay, so hear me out. I saw these for $5 and $6 at what is it called? I think they were $5 and maybe $6. It was another price at H-E-B. I got a lip liner in So Flirty, Love Status, and they're plumping lip liners. And then we got the gloss sticks, kind of like the e.l.f. ones I showed you last time, in XO and Dream Girl. So for $6.99, I got 4 lip products. This is a minimum of $20. And then, of course, I made sure every single one of these that were in the box were sealed. So they all have their safety seal. So, yeah. I don't know that I want to open all of these, but comment down below if you want to see a video of me trying these out or swatches. Even if it's a short, let me know. I can do that for you guys. Yeah, but $6.99 for 4. I was like, yes, girl. Going back to the bags. When I saw this bag, I needed this bag. And I actually wanted this in the satchel, but then I bought it in this one, and I was like, okay, we're gonna be okay. I did pick up this Juicy bag. This is a shoulder bag. I picked it up for $29.99 at TJ Maxx. And this is the Juicy Run the World shoulder bag in dusty blue. Now, if you've been around, you've been around. You also saw this in brown. And then we also had the satchels. This does have the Juicy tag, which I saw some of them were broke on some of them. And then this also spells out Juicy. Love, love, love for $29.99. This one I have select days to take it back if I don't want it. I did find the pink Juicy Daydreamer. Tell me why I was having mixed feelings about this. I didn't know if I liked it or not. So tell me if I'm tripping. I do have other bags in pink that I love, love, love. I just didn't know that I was feeling the dark brown with this bright pink. But I might just be crazy. If I take it back, I might just regret it. But let me know, because I only have a few days to decide. Keeping it on the Marshalls and Juicy train. Actually, this isn't for Marshalls. It's just in a Marshalls bag. But I did find the Scotty Dog barrel bag. I found it in the black and light pink. It does come with the free little barrel bag here. It's not broken despite what somebody else thought. It's just, you know, disconnected there. These were $29.99. So just when you thought I had enough barrel bags, run it back. We're gonna get a few more. This one's so weird. I don't know why it was like this, but she was deflated. She had not really much like stuffing in her. So she's a little sad looking, but I did get the green and hot pink barrel bag. She also came with the free mini barrel and a heart on this side. She was $29.99 at TJ Maxx. And since then I've seen them a few more times, so I'm sure if you're looking for it, if you go, you'll find them. And low-key, something that motivated me to do all this is I'm looking for my umbrella. I thought I put it in a shopping bag and who knows where it's at. Alright, next, you guys know. Look what I found! For $34.99, I did find this Juicy Couture strawberry bag. It is terry cloth, just like the Daydreamers. She was $34.99, and this is in the retro strawberry satchel in cherry blossom. So I've said I have several of these. I have yet to use any of these, but this is a good candidate for the spring summer vibe because she's pink. Okay, next up I did buy this Daisy Melon Whip foam body wash. So I like this brand from Target. I like their smell good stuff. I haven't tried this before. I know at Target it's probably like $5.99 or $6.99, but I did find it for $4.99, so I decided to try it. Then, if my mother's watching, stop watching. For real. Mother's Day is coming up, so I got my mom a couple of items I'm going to show you guys. I won't tell you how much they cost, but you can find them at TJ Maxx. So the first one up, I did pick up these Professional Artist Watercolor Kit. And it has, it's the Floral Stems collection. It is supposed to have 15 pre-sketched drawings, 15 paint cards, and 2 refillable water pens. So it's watercolor, but it's like the pen using paint cards, which I've never really heard of, but seems interesting. She spends a lot of time at home and she does like artsy things, so I think she'll really like that. I also picked up a dot by letter botanicals, which I thought was pretty neat. And it did come with the pins. Those are the dotting pins that you use to create the designs. So I thought that was really cool. So I got her both of those as part of her Mother's Day gift. Hopefully she stopped watching. Next, I got a frame from Burlington. I picked up this Juicy Couture Scotty Dog frame. I did not have this one. I haven't found any of the Scotty Dogs, so I was really stoked. I'm thinking I'm going to hang it up somewhere in here. It could potentially also go into my bathroom because that is also pink. Or my bedroom, but I think it's going to be in my glam room. Here she is in all her glory. And I picked her up for $11.99 at Burlington. I got a last couple of items from This one's from TJ Maxx. Randomly, I found it for $9.99, so I went ahead and picked it up because it wasn't $16.99. I saw they had purses and totes with this design, but I didn't personally pick any of them up. But I figured she could match any of my strawberry purses. And then at Burlington, I saw these retro looking bags. I've also saw them in the backpack. They're so nice. I found like 3 different ones and I picked the black one. This was $19.99, again at Burlington. Momentarily, I did break my no-buy rule on pajamas. That's a personal rule I made for myself when I found these at Burlington. Super cute. This is the design on it. It's cherries and bows. That's the short. And then I have the shirt, and this was only $7.99. So it's thin as fuck, but it was only $7.99. So another reason why I picked her up. It was a 2-piece for $7.99. Alright girl, that is the end of my very juicy girly haul. Comment down below if you like it. Comment down below what items do we have in common. Is my style your style, girl? Tell me how much you miss me and doing my hauls, because I surely missed you guys. I just have a lot on my plate right now and a lot of different videos I wanted to film, but love you, love you, love you. Thank you for subscribing and interacting with my video. Until next time, bye.